2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ, an electric SUV so bold, it doesn't just enter the EV world, it dominates it. Cadillac isn't just bringing their flagship into the future. They're rewriting what full-size luxury means in an electric age. The question is this the most luxurious electric beast we'll see in 2026? From the outside, the Escalade IQ makes a statement the moment you see it. The massive illuminated grille stretches wide, almost futuristic, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that slice through the dark. Its body is long, sleek, and sculpted with strong lines that still carry that Escalade DNA, but modernized for the EV era. Gigantic wheels, bold stance, and presence that screams authority. This SUV doesn't whisper luxury, it announces it. Step inside and you're met with nothing short of a tech palace. A stunning 55-inch curved display flows across the dash. Yes, 55 inches, blending driver information, infotainment, and even passenger entertainment in one seamless screen. The seats? Plush, heated, ventilated, and wrapped in premium materials, with massage functions built in. Add in AKG's studio-quality sound system, customizable ambient lighting, and space for up to 7 passengers. And the Escalade IQ becomes a rolling 5-star suite. But luxury isn't just about looks, it's about power. Underneath, the Escalade IQ rides on GM's Ultium platform, delivering up to 750 horsepower in top trims. 0 to 60, just over 4 seconds, which is shocking for an SUV of this size. Range is expected to stretch close to 450 miles on a charge, making it one of the longest distance electric SUVs on the market. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. Cadillac packs in advanced driver assist systems, Super Cruise hands-free driving, lane centering, automatic braking, and every modern safeguard you'd expect. Variants are expected to include a standard model, a performance version with maximum horsepower, and possibly an ultra-luxury trim that takes the interior to a whole new level. Pricing is projected to start around $130,000. And with Cadillac's reputation, buyers aren't just paying for a car, they're buying a status symbol. So, is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ really the electric luxury beast it promises to be? With jaw-dropping design, unmatched interior tech, powerful performance, and the aura of Cadillac prestige, it might just set the bar for electric SUVs worldwide.